Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking exercise 1.3. Question number 1, prove that under root 5 is irrational. So first of all we can suppose under root 5 is rational. So let under root 5 be a rational, right? We have supposed this under root 5 is a rational. So we can find co-prime integer a and b such that under root 5 is equal to a upon b right? By the cross multiplication that will be a is equal to under root 5 b. Now squaring both sides, that will become a square is equal to 5b square. Squaring both sides means a square and b square and under root 5 square also. So that will be 5. Write it. Next, therefore 5 divides a square. 5 divides a square and 5 divides a also. 5 divide a also. So we can write. A is equal to 5c for some integer c. Substituting for a. Substituting for a we get 5b square is equal to 25c square. 5 cancel by, so that will be b square is equal to 5c square. 5 5 ja 25. So this same line will become. This means b divides 5 divides b square and 5 divides b also. Same line is come here. And then after we will see, therefore a and b have at least 5. A and b have at least 5 as a common factor. 5 as a common factor. Write it. But this contradiction this contradictions, but this contradicts this contradicts that fact, the fact that A B have no, A and B have no common factor other than 1. It means A and B only divide by 1, not by the other, right? This contradiction arose because of this is the learning thing, because of our incorrect assumption that under root 5 is rational. Under root 5 is rational. It means we have supposed here wrong. Under root 5 is rational, so our assumption has come under root 5 is rational. So we conclude that under root 5 is irrational. Write it, and then for your extra practice you can find the irrational of under root 7, under root like this 8. Dear students, in the first question, if you will be see the any spelling mistakes, you can correct from your book, or you can see from here also in this question number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. So same thing, let 3 plus 2 under root 5 is rational number. Okay, we have supposed 3 plus 2 under root 5 is rational. So this we can find. So we can find co-prime integers A and B such that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is equal to A upon B. By cross multiplication, A is equal to like this, 2 under root 5 is equal to A upon B minus 3. This is interchange. 3 has interchange. It means we will separate only under root values like this 5 under root 5. So that 2 under root 5 is equal to B is a LCM. So A minus 3B. Now by cross multiply is equal to A minus 3B upon 2B. By the cross multiply, this has gone to 2B. Okay. Next, A and B are integer. Since A and B are integer, so we get a upon a minus 3b upon 2b. 2b is rational, and so under root 5 is rational. Under root 5 is rational. Okay, rational, but this contradicts that fact, the fact that under root 5 is irrational. Under root 5 is irrational. This contradiction contradictions has arisen because of our incorrect assumption. Right, it that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is rational. Right, it so we conclude that 3 plus 2 under root 5 is irrational. Dear students, if you are feeling more statements in previous question, so you can do like this also. In this question, third question, prove that the following are irrational. This one 1 upon under root 2, so you can write less statement also. Let 1 upon under root 2 is rational number. Right? So 1 upon under root 2 is equal to a upon b. By cross multiply, under root 2 a is equal to b. So under root 2 is equal to b upon a. Here b upon a is a rational number. Rational for any value. Right? But under 2 is irrational. We have proved in question number 1, like a question number 1. So 1 upon under root 2 is irrational. Write it. See the one more part, second part. It means here you will be separate the under root things. Let 7 under root 5 is rational. So 7 upon under root 5, 7 under root 5 is equal to a upon b. By cross multiply, 7 under root 5 b is equal to a So under root 5 is equal to a upon 7b. We have separated the under root thing. So a upon 7b is a rational for any value. For any value. I will write here value, but under root 5 is irrational. So 7 under root 5 is a irrational. See that if I am writing here, I have written a upon 7b is a rational for any value. If we will write here a upon b 7, any value means we can write the anything here like this. B is equal to not 0. If we are writing the any value of AB like this, suppose 2 upon 7 multiply, you can write then 3, that 2 upon 21. That is a rational number. You can write other value also like this. Here we can write the 10 and 7 into, here we can write the 7 also. So 10 upon 7 7 is 49. That is also rational number. So for any AB value, that is a rational, but 5 is irrational. So under root 7 under root 5 is a irrational.